Before starting, ensure the joists and chipboard panels are clean, dry, and free from debris. Apply adhesive to the chipboard lower panel and to the joists, or battens. Begin laying the chipboard panels. For wall edges, trim the panel for a better fit. The panels are designed with tongue and groove joints. Apply glue inside the groove, then insert the next panel. Once complete, screw the chipboard lower panels to the joists, or battens. Lay the 12mm UFH pipe in the channels according to the supplied design pattern. Use your foot to press the pipe firmly into place. Measure and cut the chipboard cover panels to size. Begin laying the cover panels, ensuring the pipe channels align with the printed warning pattern. When laying the cover panel, listen for the click to confirm it is properly secured. Once complete, screw the cover panels to chipboard lower panels using the screw location indicators.